toys on Friday. Okay, so I write 32 on Friday, but I'm also going to show it with the model. Okay, so how many groups of 10 do I have in 32? 3, 1, 2, 3. How many ones? 1, 2. Okay. And if you don't have your math papers, you could be doing it on your little writing journal. You heard Xavier? If you don't have the math paper, you could do it on the writing journal, Xavier. Okay. Now on Saturday, they sold 16 toys. Okay. So I write 16. How many groups of 10 are in 16? One group of 10 and 6 ones. Okay. Now remember yesterday for comparing numbers, we were using the words greater than, less than, equal to. Okay. Today we're going to be using the symbols. Okay. So if it's greater than, it's this symbol here. If it's less than, it's this symbol here. If it's equal to, that means the same, it's this symbol here. To, greater than, or less than 16. Okay. Alice. Okay. So it's always with its mouth open, looking at the greater number. Okay. And when we are comparing numbers, are we looking at the ones or the tens? What are we looking at, the ones or the tens, Milan? Okay. Because look, right here I have 3 tens. Right here I have 1 10. So what's greater, 3 tens or 1 10? There would be 3 groups of 10. Okay, so when we compare numbers, we're looking at the tens. It can be used to compare numbers. Okay, so once again, for greater than, we use the symbol. For less than, we use the symbol. For equal to, we use this symbol. Okay, so right here it says 37 is greater than 28. Okay, and again, remember what we are looking at is the tens place when we compare the numbers. So what's greater, 3 groups of 10 or 2 groups of 10? Okay, it's 3 groups of 10, so that's why 37 is greater than 28. So remember, the alligator is always facing the greater number. Okay. Now the next one, okay? 49 is less than 51. Again, we look at the tens place. Okay. Which one is less, 4 groups of 10 or 5 groups of 10? Okay, there would be 4 groups of 10. So now look. Okay, our symbol is facing that way. Okay, remember the mouth open is always facing the bigger, the greater number. Okay. Now the next one. Okay, 15 is equal to 15. So look at the tens. Okay, they have the same, 1 group of 10 each. And now look at the ones. Okay, they are the same. So that means that they are equal to. It says compare, write greater than, less than, or equal to. Okay, so we look right here in our tens place. Okay, we have 6 groups of 10 and 3 groups of 10. So is 63 greater, less than, or equal to 35? The symbol is going to be this way. Remember, the mouth of the alligator is always facing the greater number. Okay. So say it, equal to.
Equal to.
Because they're the same. You have 21 here and 21 here. Okay, so if it's the same, that's the symbol that you will be writing, Azul, equal. Okay, very good. Now we go on to the next one. Number 3, okay, is 12 greater than, less than, or equal to 24? And remember, to check that, you go to the tens place. Okay, the vertex is pointing to the smaller number. Okay, and the open mouth is facing the greater number. Now we're going to go to number 4. Okay, 35 is greater, less, or equal to 43. And again, look at the tens place. Okay, 35 is greater, less, or equal to 43. Okay. Order that the numbers are. Okay. Now the next one on the bottom. Name a number that is greater than 38. So what is a number greater than 38, Santiago? Santiago, what's the number greater than 38?
Okay.
What number? Santiago.
Yeah, what?
What's greater than 38?
63.
Okay, 63 is greater than 38. Very good, Santiago. Now listen to the other part. Name a number that is greater than 38 and less than 46. So now it's a number between 38 and 46. Any number, Santiago, between 38 and 46. What could be a number? Milan, what could be a number between 38 and 46? A number between 38 and 46. Justin? Unmute yourself, Justin.
40. 40.
40. Okay, because we have, sorry. Okay, we have 38 here. And we have all these numbers to get to 46. And Justin is saying 40. So yes, is 40 between 38 and 46? Yes. Okay. Which other numbers could be between 38 and 46?
40.
Okay, not Justin, someone else, Dylan.
39.
39, very good. 39 could be between there.
40,
What other numbers?
41.
Between Milan?
41.
41. What other numbers? Alicia? What other numbers could be between 38 and 46? Unmute yourself, Alicia. What number, Alicia? Any number between 38 and 46.
Nose, mírame.
46.
Nose, eyes. Okay, these are your eyes. Ojos, nariz,
46.
ojos, boca, cachetes.
Okay, so it would be any numbers. Okay. Okay, that would be your homework. And remember, you're going to be using these symbols right here: greater than, less than, and equal to. Okay, and then now we're going to this other page here. Okay. Okay, and again, you're going to be, this would be your homework. Here. And this one. And right now we will be working together. Sí, Frida. La quebré, Frida. Okay, we will be working on number 25 together. There are 23 children riding Brent's bus. Okay. Now, Carrie's bus has 32 children riding in it. On it, sorry. Now, whose, am I recording free? Yeah. Whose bus has more people riding on it? Okay, so you're going to write 23. Okay, you have 23. So I write 1, my 2 groups of 10, and my 3 ones. Okay. Now I write 32, and I draw my 3 groups of 10, and my 2. Okay, so we have 23 children in Brent's bus, 32 children and Carrie's bus. So who has more children in the bus? Brent. This is Brent. This is Carrie. Who has more children in the bus? Brent or Carrie? Azul. Unmute yourself, Azul.
Carries.
Carrie's bus. Okay, so then my symbol then would be going this way. Okay, because 23 is less than 32. Okay, remember, we read it like if we are reading words. So right here, I write Carrie. Okay, Carrie's bus has more children. Okay, so for homework, you have this one here, the ones that I circled with red, 26, and then the one on the bottom, the writing. Okay,